Okay, basically, this is my video solution for the dev post project I'm on. So my project topic is find evil, basically EvilTrace. So we'll start off basically showcasing the workflow and everything. So first, okay, we need to generate um and you need to generate something for it. So we go into my WS. So uh, and next one up. Okay, so this is the generated reports so today. So we are for finding report case, the JSON where it's stored, the rows, the finding 16 suspicion. Basically, that's everything here. Then um okay, we need to go to the problem frame. Yeah, problem frame. So go to the main group. So what the whole evil trade is all about is about this is an evidence-backed trial agent prototype for finding evil trace style basically. So it's not just a generic chatbot here. It's a defensive incident report response. Now, like we saved forensics to our output, preserve everything classified in generally traceable report. Basically, that's what it does. So for the current case we did, we did based on the evidence gotten from the projects they supplied us, they gave us. So the case study was work back. The primary evidence was the gave us primary evidence already. Then the main exhibition is called 2020 11 on the 16th. Yeah, so that was November. So the current case report confirmed that okay, so this is basically everything that goes through. I've already uploaded everything in my GitHub repo, so you can dig in and do more inside it. So basically, this is everything in the video. You probably find everything you need to know about everything you need to know about EvilTrace, what I built, you find it here. Then we go to the evidence chain, like check docs, everything. So yeah, this is where you find whatever evidence of whatever we wrong. It shows everything basically. So the next step is basically where in this evidence project, this points us to the IDs, it points us to the hashes, the drive, the output, everything. It shows us. So um I need to show you something again for the case study. Okay, so these are the artifact ID like evidence ID. So you can see the evidence ID here. Then we go down. We also can see the time of events, everything recorded here, basically everything. Then the interpretation of the evidence, you can see the evidence reference, the company like hypothesis in it. So basically you can find then it gives you the next flow of recommendation in the final position or final say, but definitely not confirm the final say. And go to the okay, this is let me show something. Okay. So this is the back on finding JSON here. This shows like this is where the whole magic happens that picks the brain. This is the whole report we worked on. Basically, this is where it's classified, it gives, evaluate and classify everything. This is this is it. Then uh, so um, you can let me show you the counts. It. Yeah, so as I define what accumulated the title existing these the hypothesis sum one find for the 16 candidates regime processes such up. It gives some like this account interpretation and it gives it. Then I think this is memory form for the car memory form. It gives you the details of basically work. So then let me show you the generation process for this. Okay, let me just dive into the final reports. This is my first. I got it, so I'm not really good at this yet. So let me dive into the reports. So the final phase is kind of case study forensic evidence, the executive summary. Basically, if you go to map, you find everything. The metric, it counts, time of the event, the findings, the statements, basically everything is here. You will find this out there. So to show you that it is not generating a generic kind of full variant. So run it again. Run it again. See, having findings for stuff set, then for stuff, then on the how the diagnosis in one transaction for stuff. So if you go back to it should be this here. Thing here. In final report, it shows that we also have for where was it? It showed for evidence like the memory. It should be here. Should be here. I think so. But it should be here. See, we have memory one, find memory one, and memory two, and memory three. So it matches. It's here. But that will be all. Thank you very much.